Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to make a pocket for our stuffed jerk chicken. So I am going to just take the chicken right here, and I'm just gonna make a little bit of pocket. Sometimes you could butterfly it, but you can also make just like a little pocket where you're gonna put your stuffing in. So you're gonna halfway kind of open it up. So it's gonna kind of look like this, halfway open, and then you're gonna stuff your stuff in there. So you're not all the way opening it. So I have 3 chicken breasts here, so I'm gonna do that for all 3 of them. To season the chicken. So of course, we're gonna use the jerk seasoning or the jerk rub. DivineKuizine Jerk Rub. We're gonna do about 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can do as much as you want. I'm gonna do probably about 2.5 teaspoons of it because it's hot. We have some green seasoning here. And to get the recipe for the green seasoning, you can go to DivineKuizine.com. And then we have some spices we're gonna use. So I am going to use salt. I'm going to use onion powder. Seasoned pepper. We have some garlic powder. And we have some complete seasoning. Now you want to be, generous with your seasonings, and then I'm gonna put another glove on, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix it all together. So we have another glove on, and so we're gonna just take all of our seasonings and season all together. You could do this ahead of time, you know what I mean, marinate your chicken and then have it ready, but since I'm cooking it tonight for dinner, we're gonna go ahead and just season it right now. We're gonna set it aside and we're gonna make our stuffing. So our stuffing is going to be spinach. If we had callaloo, we could use callaloo, but we don't have any callaloo here in the States, or I couldn't find any. So we're gonna do spinach, and we're gonna do plantain mash that we're gonna put into the pocket. So see that? Look like that. So we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, so I have a little bit of garlic paste and oil in here, and we're gonna put our peppers in here. So we have some red peppers, we have some jalapeno peppers de-seeded, so it's not gonna give us a lot of heat. We have some orange bell peppers. All this is for color. We have some white onion. We have some garlic, some fresh garlic, yellow bell peppers, and red bell peppers. And all these peppers have a different kind of flavor. The lighter the color is, the sweeter the pepper. We're gonna saute these a little bit. I'm gonna put a little more olive oil in here. A little more olive oil. We're gonna kind of saute this just a little bit to get it a little softened, because the spinach is not gonna take that long to wilt. Okay, now I'm gonna add our spinach. This is fresh spinach that I went ahead and diced up, finely, roughly chopped up. This is gonna be on like medium to high heat. And then we're gonna season it. So we have some butter, about a tablespoon of butter. We have some salt. Garlic powder. Seasoned pepper. and onion powder. And then we're just gonna let this wilt down. Okay, y'all, so we have our opening of our seasoned jerk of our spinach. And we're gonna take some of our plantain mash. I'm gonna mash that in there, like so. Get that covered. And we're going on to the next one. Okay, so we're gonna take our chicken breast. We're gonna put them down, side down this way. And we're just trying to get a little bit of color on them. Been about 20-25 minutes. That's good. Take it out. And now I'm gonna make a cream sauce, a coconut cream sauce to go with the chicken. So we have some jalapenos, we have some yellow peppers, fresh garlic, orange and red peppers. Saute that in there, this yumminess. And take our coconut milk, pour that in there. Get this all mixed together. And I'm just gonna let this simmer and thicken up. A little bit of salt. A little bit of my seasoned pepper that I like. It has a little spice to it, y'all. I have a little bit of heavy, but like if you want to do vegan or something, you could use coconut cream, but I have a little bit of heavy whipping cream that I'm gonna put in here to help thicken it up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna let it reduce down. Okay, so our sauce has gotten thicker. Now it's not as watery. So now we're gonna put our chicken back in the sauce. Okay, y'all, so we finished our jerk stuffed chicken with plantain mash. Go on DivineKuizine to get the recipe, and a spinach with different types of peppers, sauteed spinach with all kinds of different peppers, and I have some mashed potatoes here with the jerk coconut cream sauce. So I just made some mashed potatoes. I mean, I'm pretty sure most people know how to make mashed potatoes, but you can leave something in the comment if you want me to do a tutorial on mashed potatoes. And can't forget your vegetables. So we have a little bit of asparagus. There you have it. Jerk stuffed chicken with mashed potatoes and asparagus using DivineKuizine Jerk. Go in for the taste. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going in for the taste. I'm excited about this one. This is gonna be a good dinner. This is gonna be a good dinner. I can't wait to eat it. I got a little bit of the potatoes. We got that plantain mash in there, that spinach, and the plantain mash. Okay, let me tell you about it. I'm just gonna eat. So, you got that plantain mash, which makes it sweet because you know the jerk seasoning or the jerk rub, DivineKuizine Jerk Rub, is spicy. And so I use quite a bit. I use about 2.5 tablespoons of it, and then I glazed it with it as well when we put it in the oven. You know, it's real spicy, or it's got a kick to it. So you can, you know, whichever way, what kind of spice that you like. Then that plantain is sweet, you know, so it gives you that counterbalance of the sweet, this little spiciness with the sweetness. And then of course spinach, you know, that's good with the peppers and the spinach you taste. And then, you know, I made some creamy potatoes. And then the coconut cream sauce is the drippings from that jerk chicken. And then we put that coconut milk in there with the peppers. So that has like a nice sweet, but not sweet, with the little spice to it. This is a banger. To get this recipe and to purchase DivineKuizine's jerk seasoning, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all.